students, how is your studies? Hope you all are studied well at home. So all of you maximum utilize your time for studies. Okay. Today we are going to study the balance portion of this chapter. What is the name of our chapter? Yes, from tasting to digesting. From tasting to digesting. Today we are going to learn a story. A stomach with a window. A stomach with a window. Here in your textbook, a story is given. All of you must read the story and understand the fact present in the story. Okay. Here, all of you listen. Story: a stomach with a window. Stomach with a window. We know that our stomach, inside the stomach, there are different types of parts are present. Small intestine, esophagus, large intestine. Then what esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, several glands are present, several enzymes are present, digestive juice is present inside our stomach. Okay, these all things are present in our stomach. Today we are going to learn a story about a stomach with a window. A stomach with a window. The stomach was first discovered. The stomach was first discovered by an American doctor named Dr. William Bueman. The stomach was first discovered by an American doctor, William Bueman. Who discovered the stomach? The stomach was first discovered by an American doctor, William Bueman. William Bueman was the American doctor who discovered the stomach. Okay. Who discovered stomach in 1922? Who discovered stomach in 1922? Accidentally in the man named Alexis Saint Martin. Accidentally in 1922 in the man named Alexis Saint Martin. Alexis Saint Martin. Once again, William Bueman was he was an American doctor. He was first discovered the stomach. He was first discovered the stomach in 1922. Accidentally in the man named Alexis Saint Martin. In the man named Alexis Saint Martin. Then about stomach, the stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure. The stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure. The stomach is a bag-like structure. Stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure. Stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure. Then, do you know where the stomach is present or situated? Yes, the stomach which is present on the left side of the abdomen. The stomach is present on the left side of the abdomen. Okay. Once again. Who discovered the stomach? William Bueman, an American doctor, William Bueman, in 1922. Accidentally, a man named Alexis Saint Martin. Okay. Then the stomach is a bag-like, thick-walled bag-like structure. Stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure, and it is present on the left side of the abdomen. Okay. Its shape like a flattened stomach is a flattened U shape. Flattened U shape. The shape of stomach is flattened U shape. Flattened U shape. The stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure, and also it is situated, it is present on the left side of the abdomen, and also its shape is like a flattened U shape. Flattened U shape. Okay, then it is the widest part of our body. The stomach is the widest part. The stomach is the widest part of our body. Part of our body. Stomach is the widest part of our body. It shapes like a flattened U shape. It is a bag-like structure. It is a bag-like structure, and also it has a U shape, flattened U shape, and it is the widest part of our body. It is the widest part of our body. It is the widest part of our body. Then first we eat food through our mouth. First of all, we eat during breakfast, lunch, or in the dinner time. We eat the food through our. First of all, we take it through our mouth. Then it will go through a canal. It is elementary canal. Then it will pass through different parts. Okay. Then finally it goes through our stomach. Inside the stomach, the digestion of food takes place. Food digestion takes place. Then the semi-digested food enters into the stomach, or the food enters into the stomach where further digestion takes place. Okay. Inside the stomach, the moving of food into the stomach and digestion takes place. It will take 3 hours for digestion. Inside our stomach, the digestion takes place in 3 hours. The digestion takes place in 3 hours. Inside our stomach, digestion takes place in 3 hours. In 3 hours. Okay. Then here a story is given in your textbook. So this story tells us the William Buman tested take some digestive juice from the stomach of Martin and tested where the digestion takes place faster, or inside the mouth, inside the stomach, or outside the stomach. Here is a table is given in your textbook. There is a table given in your textbook, page number 31. Here is a part of his observation table, the observation table of William Buman. Number of food items is given, then time taken for digestion. The William Buman takes some digestive juice from the stomach of Alexis and Martin, and takes different experiments for finding where is more faster, digestion takes place more faster, inside the stomach or outside the stomach. Through his observation, he find out the answer. Then first food item he taken unboiled milk. First food item he taken unboiled milk. Then in the stomach, the unboiled milk get digested in 2 hours 50 minutes. The time taken to digest the unboiled milk inside the stomach is 2 hours 15 minutes. Then he takes some digestive juices from the stomach and take a glass with milk and add the digestive juice from the stomach. Then he find out the milk digested outside the stomach gets it take 4 hours. It take 4 hours 45 minutes. So then at next food item he taken boiled milk. Next food item he taken boiled milk. Then in the stomach, the boiled milk gets digested in 2 hours. In 2 hours, the boiled milk get digested outside the stomach 4 hours 15 minutes. 4 hours 15 minutes. 2 hours difference is present. Okay, then next food item he taken full boiled egg. Full boiled egg inside the stomach. The full boiled egg get digested in 3 hours 3:30 minutes. Outside the stomach, it will digested in 8 hours. It will digested in 8 hours. Then half boiled egg. Half boiled egg inside the stomach, it get digested in 3 hours. It get digested in 3 hours. Outside the stomach, it get digested in 6 hours 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes. Then raw egg beaten. Raw egg. Raw egg. Raw egg is digested inside the stomach in 2 hours and outside the stomach 4 hours 15 minutes. Here also 2 hours difference. Then raw egg. Raw egg is taken in outside inside the stomach. It gets digested in 1 hour 30 minutes. Outside the stomach 4 hours. So from this observation he can concluded that he find out the result. Inside the mouth the digestion takes more fast. Outside the stomach the digestion becomes slower. Okay, all of you understood? Because inside our stomach there are different types of several digestive enzymes are present. These digestive enzymes make the process of digestion easily and faster. Okay. Then the William Newman found that food digests faster in the stomach than outside. Okay. Then the food moves the food to first. If we eat the food through our mouth, that moves to our stomach and get digested. Then the food does not digest it properly when if we are sad, our feelings or our mood is sad, the food is not properly digested. If we are happy or we are doing several physical activities, the food get digested faster. Okay. Then have you heard of the word acidity and also in acidity? We already learned that inside the stomach digestive juice is present. Inside the stomach digestive juice is present. Digestive juice is secreted by digestive glands. Okay, digestive juice is present inside the stomach. Digestive juice is present inside the stomach. Okay. Then the digestive juices, the function of the digestive juices and also hydrochloric acid, mucus and digestive juices are present inside the stomach. Okay, the digestive juice helps us to digest the food items. Okay. Okay, we learned about our stomach. Inside the stomach, digestive juice, hydrochloric acid and mucus is present and also digestive enzymes are present inside our stomach. So it helps us to digest the food items that we eat. Okay. Then have you heard the word acidity? Acidity means inside the stomach, hydrochloric acid is present. Inside the stomach, hydrochloric acid is inside the stomach. Hydrochloric acid is present. It will help to digest the food items that enter into the stomach. Okay. So acidity means if a person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly, that person have acidity. If a person does not eat well, does not eat well, or the food is not digested properly, or the food is not digested properly, we can say that the person have affected by acidity. Okay. Then once again, a story, a stomach with a window. Who discovered our stomach? Yes, an American doctor, William Newman, first discovered our stomach. Then in 1922, accidentally, a man named Alexis Saint Martin, and also we learned the shape of the stomach is the widest part of our body. Stomach is the widest part of the body, and also it present on the left side of the abdomen. And also it looks like a flattened U shape. Then on the observations of William Newman, he conducted several experiments for finding outside or inside the stomach the digestion will take place more faster. He find out inside the stomach the digestion takes more faster. Then next we are going to study good food, good health. Good food, good health. We are going to study good food, good health. Good food, good health. Good food, next topic, good food, good health. Good food, good health. All of you listen. In your textbook, name of two friends is given. Yes, first friend name is Rashmi and Kailash. Here, these two friends of yours are the patients of Dr. Abarna. These two childs are the patient of Dr. Abarna. Dr. Abarna has two patients, Rashmi and Kailash. Dr. Abarna talked to them to find out more about them. Read what the doctor found. Here the Rashmi and Kailash are the two patients of Dr. Abarna. He found that some problems in these two children. First we read about Rashmi. Rashmi was 5 years old. She is a girl. Rashmi was a girl. She is 5 years old. She looks about 3 years old, but she looks about 3 years old. She is 5 years old, but she looks 3 years old. Looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms. Her hands are very thin. Okay, and legs and her arms and legs are very thin. She her fixed year old is 5 years, but she looks like about 3 years, and her arms and legs are very thin. Then, and a pot belly. Her belly looks like a pot. Then stomach, which means the stomach looks like a balloon. That the stomach is larger than her body. It looks like a balloon. That means it's a pot belly. Then she often falls sick. Every day she has fallen sick, falls sick. Every day she became sick. Every day she became sick. She always feels tired. She always feels tired. Rashmi always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. So every day she is sick, and every day, every time, every moment she became tired, and so for this reason she cannot go to school regularly. She cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. We know that all students like to play games, indoor or outdoor games. Okay, every student likes to play games, but she also have the hopes to play games, but she have no strength to play. She has very thin arms and legs, so she is very tired. Every day she is very sick, so she cannot to play. She cannot to play. She have no strength to play. Then food. What about the food she eats? She is lucky if she can get a little rice. We know that all students, all childs like to eat, likes to nothing to eat. They likes to play every time. They likes to play every time. They all students listen carefully. Everybody take your own food at a correct time, and otherwise you will fall sick. You will fall in sick and does not take your studies properly. Okay, then first, food is important factor. We take food in correct time. So she is lucky if she can get a little rice. Every student, every child likes to eat little rice. Like that, Rashmi also get to eat little rice. Or one roti, little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. In a day, the Rashmi eats little rice or one roti in a whole day. Why? Because she does not get proper food. She is in a poor family. So she does not get nutritious food. In her family cannot adopt cannot adopt the food items. Okay. So she is in a poor family. So in her family does not have the ability to buy the food items. They have their earning money is very much smaller. Okay. Then about Kailash. Kailash is 7 years. He looks older than his age. He looks older than his age. His body is fat and flabby. We know that at present, we know that all childs are fat and flabby. Why? All of you listen. He has pain in his legs. He is very fat and flabby, so he has pain in his leg. Her legs can't have the ability to maintain her body weight. So her legs has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He is very fat and flabby, so he is not very active. He goes to school by bus. Spends many hours watching TV, and he goes to school by bus and spends many hours for watching TV. He do not do any physical activities. He every moment he likes to play indoor games. Okay, well then food about Kailash. He does not like to eat home cooked food like dal, rice, vegetables and roti. The Kailash does not like to eat home cooked food. Home cooked food means leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. like that. He only likes to eat junk food. The only thing he finds tasty are chips. Junk food means chips, burger, pizza and soft drinks from the market. Kailash like to eat the junk foods like chips, burger, pizzas and soft drinks from the market. Dr. Aparna measured the height and weight of both the children, the Rashmi and Kailash. Then she told them there is only one treatment for both child's problems about Rashmi and Kailash. The Rashmi does not get proper food. Kailash does not get proper food. He likes to only eat the junk food. The junk food, if we eat junk food, our body fat is increased. We became flabby and get obesity. Okay. What about proper food? Then we study about proper food. Proper food. Proper food is every child's right. Proper food is every child's right. Proper food is every child's right is proper for getting proper food. Then Kailash, who does not like homemade food. The other one is Rashmi, who does not even get one proper meal a day. He only get little rice and one roti in whole day. About half the children in our country are like Rashmi. They did not get proper food. They only get little rice in a day or only get one roti in a day. These children are weak and sickly, often ill or in poor health. But it is the right of every child to get proper food. In our country, we can see that almost every child like Rashmi. They did not get proper food. They only get a little rice or one roti in a day. So, like this, the children became thin and her arms and legs become thin. They fall sick. Their arms and legs become thin. They does not have the strength to play. Have the strength to play. The children does not get proper food. Their arms and legs become thin. Then they does not have the strength to play. In your textbook, all of you listen. In your textbook, page number 33, some questions are given. First question, why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? Why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? What is the answer? Rashmi could eat only one roti in a whole day since she was from a poor family. She could not afford to buy the food items. So, the Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day. Next question, do you think Kailash would like games and sports? Do you think Kailash would like games and sports? No, he likes to play only indoor games like watching TV, etc. like that. Then next question, what do you understand by proper food? What do you understand by proper food? What do you understand by a proper food? A good diet which includes good amount of nutritious food. A good diet means we get good amount of nutritious food. A good diet means a good diet means we get a good proper amount of nutritious food. That means good diet. If we get proper amount of nutritious food, then we can say that we get good diet. Nutritious food, we can say that we get good diet. Then, why do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? The food intake is not proper. The two childs, Rashmi and Kailash, the food intake is in not proper way. Rashmi is not getting adequate quantity of food, where Kailash is having junk food like chips, burger, pizza and soft drinks from market, which is very harmful to our body. Hence we can say that the food intake is not in proper way. The food intake is in not proper way. Then here is a question given for find out. Talk with your grandparents or elderly people and find out what they ate and what work they did when they were of your age. All of you do these questions in your science text notebook. Then send back to me in WhatsApp. Okay. Then next one about a story about Gomti. Next a story about Gomti. Gomti is live in Odisha district in Kalahandi. Here is the story about Gomati. Gomati in your is given in your textbook, page number 34. Okay, listen all of you. Gomati is 30 years old. Gomati works in the field of a rich farmer. Gomati is 30 years old. She works in the field of a rich farmer. For all her hard work, she gets paid very little. She paid very little. So, little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. In your textbook, the photo of Gomati and her son is given. And then so little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. Some months she does not get any work at all. Some months she does not get any work at all. Then she has to eat, that time she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. She did not get any rice for eat. That time she eat the leaves and roots from the jungle. Gomati's children are weak with the hunger and always sick. Gomati's children are weak with the hunger and always sick. Few years ago, her husband died of hunger. Most rice grows in Kalahandi district in Odisha. The Kalahandi district in Odisha, most rice grows. Rice is even sent to other states from here. From Odisha, the rice is sent from here. Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. In the same Kalahandi, there are many poor people like Gomati lives. Here it is the story about Gomati. Then some questions are given based on the story. Do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day? In the whole day, what are the reason for this? We learned that about the two children, Rashmi and Kailash, they did not get proper food, so they falling sick and they does not get more strength to play games like that. So here also, do you know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day. What are the reason for this? What are the reason for this? The child does not get enough to eat in the whole day. They are from a poor family who cannot afford for a proper meal. Then next question, have you ever seen a godown where a lot of grain has been stored? Have you ever seen a godown? Have you ever seen a godown? Yes. Where a lot of grain has been stored. Yes, we see that a lot of grain has been stored in market. Then in your textbook, two questions are given. What we have learned in this lesson? What we have learned? First question: why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? When we are down with a fever or cold, our nose gets blocked, where we cannot smell the food or taste the food. Hence, we cannot taste the food properly. The next question, if we were to say that digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? How would you explain this? We know that the digestion takes place inside our stomach. The food passes through our mouth. It begins with our mouth. Just explain. We know that there exists salivary glands. We know that in our mouth salivary glands are present. The salivary glands secrete saliva, so we can taste the food. We can taste the food and we can taste and smell the food with the help of saliva. Then the digestive enzymes are present. These enzymes helps in the breaking of complex sugars present in our food. Hence we can say that digestion begins in our mouth. Digestion begins in our mouth. So our lesson is over. We learned in this lesson about digestion, tasting, the different taste buds present in our tongue. Then all of you study well. Then read the text clearly. Then thank you.